I want to talk about this two-piece carving set from ODERFUN. I've had this for about 2 years. It was a gift for Christmas from my daughter, and I am a big fan of it. It comes with two pieces. You've got the 8-inch carving knife right there, and additionally, it comes with a fork. And it's sharp, and it stays sharp. That's one of my favorite features about it, obviously. The blade is stainless steel, and they're dishwasher safe, which is great. They've got good weight, not too heavy. I've used it to carve everything from, you can see right here, that is a corned beef brisket. I've done turkey, I've done roast, I've done lamb, chicken, poultry, pretty much anything under the sun I've carved with this and gotten great results so far. Definitely a fan of this knife. If you're looking for a new knife, please click on the link in the description below.